Here we are. We made it. This is base camp. Yep, 2 tents and a pile of stuff. Pretty much it. We're in the middle of freaking nowhere. This last day was quite treacherous. That up there is Everest. Can you zoom in? That's it. Way out there. This is where people start their trek through that ice fall. It's really cold. I have on like everything that I brought. There's Daniel. That's all.